That's not true, Myron. That's not true. Okay.
In the other video, he's doing an impression of a seal.
You guys are just leveraging clout. Man, we had some good. Oh, yo, listen. Oh, baby. Oh,
This one, he sounds to be doing an impression of a chicken.
now that we know what a woman's value comes from,
Like the sound of his voice. He sounds very much like Eric Cartman from South Park.
Never let a woman kick my ass. If she tried anything, I'd be like, hey, you get your bitch ass back in the kitchen and make me some pie. Hey, women, you shut your mouth and make babies.
women's value is 100% determined by the way that they look.
Yes, ma'am.
To view the video in full, click the link in the description or view my YouTube channel called Behind Closed Doors.